Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, Facebook account temporary unavailable on your iPhone. So how you can fix this error? So first thing you need to check, you need to check your Wi-Fi connection. So just if you're using Wi-Fi, just take your iPhone, just go to the settings, just find in the settings your Wi-Fi and just open it. Now just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. It will reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. So if you're using mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you still have this error, so just go to general, and in the general you need to find here reset, and in the reset you need to choose reset network settings and just submit resetting it. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just go scroll down to shutdown, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just restart your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to find here your Facebook app and just tap on it, and now you will see delete app. So just submit deleting app, and after just go to App Store, just write in search tab Facebook and just download and install it again on your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.